Good morning guys, welcome back to the lid shop. Today is gonna be an exciting day because we have a really cool car to make a custom exhaust on, and my brother is picking up his first project car right now and he is arriving soon. So you guys gonna see that, and I'm gonna show you the car that we're gonna make a custom exhaust on, and I'm really excited because it's one of my favorite cars in the whole world, and it's maybe a hype that it's everybody's favorite car, but it really is my favorite car. Check it out. We're gonna make a custom exhaust on that car so he can get MOT here in the Netherlands and drive on the road. He has to fix a lot of other things, but today we're gonna make the exhaust, and that's the first step. So let's get all the junk outside and put the Supra inside. Alright, so he brought a ton of stuff with him that makes my life way easier, like these V-bands, and he got a downpipe, and he doesn't know for what car it is exactly, but it does fit exactly on that one, and it comes out at the right spot, so we can use that, and that's really convenient. We just need to take off the V-band that is on the downpipe, because this doesn't work with the other V-band because it doesn't have the little edge over here to make it seal better. So we can use this one on the turbo because we got the edge on this one and the air goes through here so it can go back out. And we're gonna weld this one on the downpipe, and he has another V-band set for under the car. So yeah, we're gonna start with this one, make it fit on the turbo, and we need to weld the V-band on the turbo as well because there is a weird flange on there. We're not gonna use it. So we can put the downpipe on, and then we can make the rest of the downpipe to fit on his Nur exhaust that is going under there. And then the only thing left is the wastegate. He just needs a flange for that, so he's gonna get a flange for that, and we're gonna start welding and fitting things up. And then it should be done actually quite quickly. So yeah, that's the game plan. Let's get started. So yeah, things escalated really quickly because we're gonna take out the dashboard to make it easier to take out the harness and just to clean up everything, and then I can reach it way better when I'm welding. So that's what he's doing, and right now I am gonna start welding. I'm gonna weld a V-band on the turbo, and I wanted to take the core out, but the bolts that hold it in really feel like they're gonna break, so I don't want the hassle of drilling it out and tapping it again. And these didn't want to come out as well, so I just cut it off, and we can weld the V-band on here, and then we can start making the exhaust. Alright, I'm done welding the V-band on the turbo, and I must say the welds on the turbo look great. The welds on the downpipe don't have color, but they are all the way through, and I rather have it stuck on there than look good and break. So that's good. Now I can take off the flange on the bottom and we can weld the rest of the downpipe. But for now we're just gonna take out the dashboard because he's going strong, he's going fast, and it can go out right now, so we can take out the wiring loom.
You forgot something. You could just help us instead of filming.
Nah, I'd rather film.
It's your car.
Is it? Damn, I'm a lucky boy. Yeah, this is taking too long. I'm gonna weld. Woo! What a nice dashboard. Dash is out. He's just gonna continue taking out the wiring, and I'm gonna finish the downpipe. What? I needed to hold it up. It's sufficient. Ow, ow. Why are you like this? Beam! Now it's on. Bye boy! So I put on the exhaust temporarily because I don't understand this hanger system, so I just put on some Golf 2 hanger, but that's okay. It's somewhat on its place, and then you saw me putting in the nuts from the flanges. I just put 2 zip ties there to hold it up, and now we can make the downpipe from here, and I must say it fits really nice under here. And I don't know for what car this downpipe was meant to be, but it fits really nice after some modifications. So now we can put a 3-inch pipe right here, and I think we're gonna put a little bend here, a little bend here, and then we're gonna connect right there. So yeah, that's the game plan. And he is still taking out the wiring, so I'm glad he does it so that I don't have to do it. So the downpipe is good, and I just tacked the flex joint on there, and over here I made a little mistake, so now I got a big hole that I need to fix, but I can do that when it's out of the car and on my little table. But now we need to make the long piece that goes here with a little bend and a little bend. And I thought I got my tube bender for the Golf 2, but we can also try to bend the pipe so we have a nice bend so it goes straight here, and then we got a nice little bend over here, another bend, and then we can connect it directly to that, where we also need to weld on the other V-band. But we are gonna try it because that saves us a lot of time and it looks way better. So let's take that thing out and try to bend it. Alright, so I fucked up because this tube, this exhaust pipe, isn't thick enough to use in the tube bender. So I just dented it, and it's a little bit flatter than... It's not round anymore, and it's got a few dents, but we got extra, so I'm gonna try another way to make the bend, but this is clearly not gonna work. So I just cut this hole a little bit bigger where the harness goes through because the connector didn't fit. So yeah, I just cut it a little bit bigger, and the idiot that I am, I cut in my finger again. Come on, focus. I'm really lucky I still have 10 fingers because, I don't know, I'm just lucky. But yeah, the harness is almost out, I think. And out of nowhere, my brother and my dad arrived with the new project car for my brother. And well, it's a piece. It's, yeah, it's a shit box. It needs a lot of work, but that's okay. He's just gonna put it inside for a year and work on it. But yeah, here's my brother's new project car. Look at those colors. Woo! Yeah, that's nice. I don't weld it all the way through yet because I first want to weld the flex joint on the downpipe, and when that's welded I can put the downpipe back on, and then we can test fit this, and if it fits nice and we can connect this part to the exhaust that's already on there, I'm gonna weld this all the way through, and I hope we get these colors all the way around because it looks really nice. Right, so I think this is gonna be the way it's gonna be mounted on there. I'm just gonna cut this in an angle and cut this off so we can fit the V-band there. And I think we have enough room between there. It looks like nothing, but it's actually a little bit, so should be fine. And then I'm gonna make a mounting point on these bolts, a little plate, little hanger over here, so it's extra supported because I don't trust 2 hangers, so we're gonna make an extra. And then the exhaust is done. Just need to cut off this little valve over here because he doesn't want it anymore. So we are gonna take out the pipe that is in between here, because taking this off and patching it is not the proper way to do it. So we're gonna take out the pipe here and weld in a new one. And then actually the exhaust is done, and we just need to make the screamer pipe, and over there it connects to the manifold. And then we're just gonna make a little tube that goes through here and a little screamer pipe. So yeah, making good progress, but I need to hurry up a little bit because we don't really have much time left. So I'm gonna hurry up and finish this. So out of nowhere, my angle grinder decided I am dead. So yeah, we're done. God damn it. Different angle grinder, same story. This one is also dead. Wow, my luck is really with me today. So literally 3 angle grinders later, I got one that works. It's 30 years old, but this kind of shit is frustrating as hell. Why does this need to happen on a Sunday when I need to weld an exhaust for a car that needs to leave the same day? I don't know, I really don't have luck with me today. But we got a 30-year-old angle grinder, and let's hope that thing holds up and keeps working because I want to finish this exhaust. So yeah, let's get going. Alright, the downpipe is in, and it's connected to the mid pipe, and now the only thing left to do is make a little pipe that goes from the flange to the rear muffler, because there was the cutout that he wanted gone. So that's the only thing left to do for the exhaust. Then we still need to do the wastegate and the seats and even his oil level dipstick thingy. So yeah, it's late, we need to hurry. It's currently 10 AM, I'm dirty as hell, and we've been working almost 12 hours straight on the Supra. And I finished the exhaust. I'm now test fitting the manifold and the wastegate. And the owner over there is drilling some holes in the rails for his seat, so that can be mounted. And then the last thing to do is the dipstick, because that doesn't fit because he has a 1JZ in the Supra. And to run a 1JZ in the Supra, you need a rear sump for the Supra, and then your dipstick from your 1JZ doesn't fit. So we need to make something custom, but that's no problem because that's all we do here, custom things. So yeah, we're making progress, but it's already really late and it's a Sunday. So we're just trying to get shit done, hurry up, and then it's time for bed. Because tomorrow is an exciting day for me, but that's for a later video. So yeah, we're gonna hurry up and I'll see you guys in a little bit. So we can tick wastegate off the list because it fits pretty nice. It fits actually perfectly. Screamer pipe fits good. Right next to the downpipe, doesn't hit anything. So yeah, I'm really happy how that turned out. Now it's time for the dipstick. Look at those welds. I'm really proud of myself, and I'm really happy because we are basically done. Dipstick is in, and he can bolt it right over there to the manifold, so that's good. The exhaust tip is nice in the middle and sticks out a little bit, so that's good. Downpipe looks really nice. So now it's time to get the Supra on the trailer, and I just saw my own face. It's also time to wash my face a little bit to look less hideous. So yeah, let's load the Supra on the trailer, wash my face and go to bed. Supra is gone, junk is back inside, my face is still dirty, so I'm gonna close the video here. Thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to subscribe down below, drop a like, and I'll see you guys at the next one. So that when